Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to quickly replace your real bulbs without needing any special tools, just by accessing the assembly from the trunk. So let's get started.
So this is the cap that you need to take out when you need to change the bulbs here. Let me show you how to remove this rear light for you to be able to change the bulb if it's needed. Normally, when everything is fit, you have this here. You just need to take it out, and then you have this plastic screw. You just rotate it counterclockwise. Until it's out, like this. It's just a plastic screw, okay? And now, just put your hand here, jiggle it a little bit, move it a little bit, up, and it's going to come out, you see? Okay, probably we should have undo the clip here. So you have this clip that you need to undo. You have one here and one on the other side, two clips. So we have it here. So you have the clip here on this side. Just need to press this one and it's going to unlock it from here, and just do the same on the other side. Press the clip and it's out. You see? So everything is out. So in this moment you're going to be able to change the bulbs. This is P21/5W and another one P21W over there. Okay, so everything looks nice here. So let's see now how we're going to change the light bulbs. So this is just a plastic here, a protection. A little bit afraid of taking it out. Again, it's 14 years old, but we can see with our own eyes, I spy with my own eyes, two clips at least, and a third one, but two of them. Three, no, it's like two blacks and one red, or two darker and one red, I don't know. So anyhow, here is one, here is the other one, you can see it, but we have one here also, right? So let's try it. Nope, that was one. Nope. Going to get dirty. So the lower one, it's out. This one, it doesn't want to come out, and I'm afraid, nope, it's out. Okay, and the lower one, it's out. But this one, the red one, oh, it's out. And we can take them out and we can see the bulbs. 14 years old bulbs. And I'm going to tell you something. They are working, so they will remain exactly as you see them. Not going to clean them, I'm not going to touch them. I've done this just to show you how to change it. So let's put them back. So be sure not to ruin your bulbs. Everything must go here. The first is the red clip over there, and the second ones are the black ones. Okay, okay, click, click. That's all. This is all. So this is the protection. Here is going to go that plastic screw. Okay, so let's put it back. Do we need to clean here a little bit? Should we clean? Does it have any impact or just in our head? Anyhow, we will need to remove the bumper, this one, the front one, because it got all kinds of scratches, and I feel like I cannot leave it like this. But also I don't have all the tools needed to clean it properly. But yeah, if we are here, let's clean it a little bit. I cannot sleep. Okay, so this one is cracked. I don't know when or how, probably at some point. At least we have the other ones. I think that the rear bumper, I don't think it was ever removed, repainted or whatever. We have a few scratches in it, but yeah, that's all. What do we have here? Plastic thingy. Does it look better? Could we sleep if we leave it like this? Yeah, barely. Okay. Okay. So everything looks good. Everything looks properly good. Where this came from, I don't know. Do we have where to put it back? Ah, yes, yes, of course. Okay, so I do believe that it came from here. Something like this, but oops. But yeah, we will find a way. Yeah, it came from here, not to scratch. We will find a way. We put a little bit of glue here and just put it back. So we've cleaned as much as we could, taking into consideration everything. So here we have the rear light. Does it have a code? for anyone that would be interested. Does it have any code? How is that even possible not to have a code? It's made in Mexico, this is first, but we should have a code. Come on. Normally it's stamped. So it should have a code. We cleaned this one a little bit. Maybe it was here and it just went down because, yeah, I cannot find it. But here we don't have, we have Volkswagen, we have one here. Just a second. Let me see the number. That's difficult. So it's 5C6 945257. But I think that's one, that the code is just for this plastic thingy with the light bulbs. For the rear light itself, we have housing, PC ABS, inner lens, PC mark, reflector. There is no code. This is weird. Okay, so let's put it back now. First of all is the connection cable. You just need to press it until it makes a click. Then we put this one. Be careful, not careful, but pay attention. You have this clip here that needs to go here. Okay, so let's do it. Easy does it. Clip. That was that clip that I was telling you about. And now everything is back in the position, and let's go in to screw in that plastic weird screw. So we have the screw. We just put it in clockwise. Give it a few turns. You don't need to break it. If you can't do it anymore, just don't do it because it's plastic. Done. And now let's put back the cap, that it goes here. Okay. Thank you a lot for watching. Please consider subscribing. It does help the channel and it's completely free. Thank you a lot and have a nice one. Bye.